How to update your MacBook to the newer macOS 27. Currently, I am using the macOS 26.5.1, as you can see right over here, and I am going to show you how to update it to a beta version. Now, the process is going to be the same for a developer beta and a public beta. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is go to Safari or any browser of your choice. Go to Mac OS beta update, and after you type that in, you want to go to Apple beta right over here, and here you can see you have coming soon. So iOS 27, iPad OS 27, Mac OS 27 is, by the way, Mac OS 27 is called the Golden Gate. If you want to sign up for Mac OS 27, you can come up and sign up over here. And to sign in, I'm going to use my Touch ID. If you don't have a Touch ID, you can use your user and password to sign into your Apple account right over here. The reason this works with Safari with a Touch ID is because I am already logged into my Apple account on my Mac, and also I'm using Safari, so it is integrated that way. So here you have the agreement. I would suggest that you go through all of this. I already have, and then hit agree. So what we want to do here is go to Mac OS and then scroll down. You can see what you can do. You can get started, provide feedback, diagnosis, and usage data. Most probably Apple is going to take it, and I would suggest that you back up your MacBook. Then if you go to enroll your devices, you can see you have backup your Mac, which I already told you, and turn on beta updates right over here. So it is already telling me Ventura, but the process is the same. What you want to do now is go to system settings. In system settings, go to software update, and in software updates you can see beta updates currently is turned off. Click on the I button, and in I button you can see again beta updates is off. Click on the off button, and here you can see we have macOS Golden Gate 27 developer beta. I'm going to enable it and then hit done. After that, it's automatically going to look for an update. So I should get a software update right about now. So there you go. You have macOS 27 beta right now. I'm going to select upgrade now, and then it's going to start downloading the update. Before that, I have to agree for the terms and conditions, then put in your password and then click OK. Here you can see it is downloading macOS 27 beta, and it's going rather fast. The update size, as you can see, is not mentioned here. That would have been handy. As you can see, the OS has been downloaded and it is preparing for macOS beta. So it is going to take a bit of time, a few minutes, and then it will ask you whether you want to install it now or later. So let's wait for that. As you can see over here, the update has been downloaded and it is now giving me a prompt to update tonight or upgrade now. Other than that, you'll also get a notification saying the Mac is going to restart in a few seconds. For you guys, because I want to make this video, I said not now on that notification, but I will upgrade now and meet you guys in a few minutes. There you have it, guys. The update has been installed. The applications also have opened up automatically after the update. So if I go to system settings, in system settings, let's go to software update, and here you can see installed macOS 27 beta. So we are on beta 27, and first impressions, if I tell you honestly, is there we have it, Xcode for beta 1. I'm going to install that as well. Yes, I'm going to agree. So first impressions, it is not as slow as I had expected. Initially, I had expected it to be very slow because the macOS 26 update was also very slow, but the 27 update is not bad at all. It is usable. So as you can see, we have a bug already. I'm not able to open it up, but that's fine. Spotlight search should also open up. Some things may not open up immediately. Some things will be slow. It is a bit up and down right now. It's going to be a seesaw, but over time it's going to become better, and that's great. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you guys. Do make sure to have a backup ready before you update, and see you in the next video.